really good for team building, and it was really good for like sort of intermingling with other nationalities and stuff like that.
Bon, c'est très sympa, on a tous participé ensemble avec des étrangers qu'on connaît pas, donc il y a un échange qui se passe, c'est cool, ouais.
Bueno, está muy interesante porque aparte de que interactuamos, creamos y pensamos en lo que va a ser el futuro, en lo que va a ser el mañana, que es lo que realmente importa.
So it's good that these like cards, you didn't know what they were before you came here, so it was like a fresh idea kind of thing. Yeah.
I liked the sort of bouncing ideas off of each other and like creating our own storyline to eventually create like a newspaper article.